Ki Pulit na rilom garo kila kem ya langut ki breu ki ba suba ba ki dei ki de khot ka kenhon keng atiar Garo National Liberation Army Gnla ki bala suba ba ki thmu ban pen KM yang ya kan ka kenhon ka bala thia thai mentala bon snam. Habai kran sekilar pathai Khubor ha ka santar gleber u Superintendent of Police North Garo Hills Bruno E Sangma ulaya tho hadien bala sapriang ki Khubor ha ki social media bala mi ka kenhon ka ba kamela de kum ka Gnla ka bala Dawa Pisa ar phau hajar tengka na ki riu shimen ki Pulit kila yo ru ya ka FIR halor ka ni ka jing Dawa Pisa ha ka arpu santrik u Rempang ha Karkuta Police Station. Ki Pulit ka North Garo Hills kila yo kem langut ki breu ki badon kti ha ka ni ka kam Dawa Pisa Jubor ki ba kentup ya usil sang ke Marag Gelja Sangma bar u Suresh Sangma. U Bruno E Sangma ulaya tho ki dan hadu ringut ki badon kti ban Dawa Pisa Jubor henre ki Pulit kila yo kem langut pat langut kidang pedri lai lum lai wa ulaong. Ki Pulit kidang thuet ya kini ki langut ki badang pedri hadu bandai yo ulaong.
Regarding regrouping of Gnla, in the month of February 7th, there was a social media posting saying that Gnla has regrouped. And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received one FIR in Karkuta PS. And based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations. And so far, till then, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. And the names of those people are Singsan Kemara from Resubelpara, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Tilja Sangma from Adogre, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Suresh Sangma from Adogre only, he is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Sri Sengsan Kemara is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated and he is the main culprit in this case in North Garo Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NPWA against him and we will be handing him over to Assam police as when the investigation is over in North Garo Hills. So far, investigation is going on and more arrests will take place. There are around 7 to 8 members in this regroup, so we will not be sparing them and we will be going after them. So that is all from my side. Well, mobile phones which have been used in the crime because they have demanded fund ransom of 20,000 from the victim in North Garo. As of now, Singsan is the only man who is ever arrested, who is a trained member. So he was an ex-ULA member, United Army Division Army. That's all.
What about the hidden weapons of the Gnla? Have the police recovered all hidden weapons?
Regarding that, I would like to say that most of the arms hidden by Gnla have been recovered and seized in Vilamnagar. Many of the arms have been recovered during my time when I was posted there. So as of now, recently we don't have any seizure. Thank you.
So you need to say it is a fact that this GNL regrouping there is an attempt.
We are working on it. We are investigating because there was a social media posting. We are still matter is under investigation.
From the Garo Hills region, the feedback is that they are indulging, they try to indulge in extortions, and the moment the activities were noticed through media and social media, the police promptly acted upon it, and the 3 persons have been arrested, and 1 or 2 more are there, so they may be absconding after the arrest of 3 persons. You know, there is an interesting modus operandi used by them. They send WhatsApp messages to concerned persons after collecting their numbers, and the extortion will say that you are the conductor in this particular area, so you are damaging our environment. So to overcome that, you have to pay environment tax. That is one. And secondly, to businessmen, that you are earning profit, so you have to pay some income tax to the organization. Those old tactics they have used it. So immediately nabbed, and now we will not allow to indulge anybody in any kind of illegal activities. That for that, the Garo, all the 5 districts, the police is on their tenterhooks, and they are doing and taking all kinds of possible follow-up action to prevent it. Now.